Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find user manual for your headphones SONOS ACE. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones. Then scroll down and right here we have the line education, so click on it and you have click start product tour and you have all information here, so you just move it to the left to new something else. Then you have also on some more information, so you can click here and you more about let's say noise control or voice assistant, and that's it. After you finish, just click at empty space and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!